Let's make vegan scones that would be perfect for breakfast or brunch. Into our mixing bowl, we are going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, half of teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and half of teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half of tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 3/4 of a cup your plant-based milk. I am using coconut milk, and 1 cup of raisins. I'm also adding half a cup of vegan butter. Before using butter, place it in the freezer for at least 30 minutes and sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Mixing all the ingredients in the mixer. When the dough is ready, form a flat circle or disc. On a parchment paper on your baking sheet, use a knife or a bench scraper. Cut the circle into even triangles. Place the edges at least 2 inches apart. Evenly spread out on the parchment paper on your baking sheet. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and 220 degrees Celsius. Place the scones in the refrigerator, still on your lined parchment paper on the baking sheet, while the oven preheats, or even longer. You want to ensure that your dough is very cold. Once preheated, place the scones into the oven and bake for 15 to 17 minutes until golden and fluffy. Remove from the oven and allow to cool for at least 5 minutes on the baking sheet. Allow to cool down completely and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.